whatever device you want and set those for TV. So, I'll be showing you how to make your own character / living. These are the character / living. I'm going to show you how to make your own if you want to. So first, you have to download this app / website called Pixel Art with no space. I have it already right here. It's shaped on a heart.
It's the God Pack. No, it's not. There's no way. They're just kidding me, right? They're just kidding me, right?
So when you get into it, the screen will look like this. You have to turn your head because it's sideways for your perspective. But for mine, it's not. So you don't really. So you have to turn your head if you want to see. Then you have to press draw. And here
we're gonna see who can draw the best panda, and the winner is $100. Let's do it. What's your strategy?
I'm gonna use Simply Draw to draw my panda.
Okay, what about you? I think I'm just gonna use a random YouTube tutorial. So what do you recommend, Simply Draw?
Oh.
So here you can do drawing. I already did a bunch before. And you gotta press the circle that has a plus on it, that's like blue and a purple gradient. On the bottom right corner, you gotta press that. Then press blank canvas. And here you can change the stuff. If you want to, you can change the width, the height, and the title. And when you're done it, press the check mark at the top right corner. And here, you'll draw your stuff. So you gotta draw the head. So there's different parts that you have to draw. I'm just gonna draw it right now since I'm already in here. Zap. It might take a little while for me to draw, but that's okay. And also there's different tools to help you if you want to use them. You don't have to use them, it's only for help. So like there's the head, the up torso, the middle torso, the bottom torso, the up arm, and you gotta draw the arms too. And also draw the hands with the arm, but for the legs, draw no hands for it because legs don't have hands. And also you also gotta draw feet as well. But don't draw it as I drew it. Draw it individually. So first, you draw the head, and then you press the button, the options button on the top left corner that has like 3 little dots on it, and press download. That will download it to your files, aka pictures. One of the both, if you want. It'll send it to your pictures, and you'll have to draw all the individual body parts. Head, the upper torso, the middle torso, down torso, arm part 1, arm part 2, and the bottom leg, and the feet. Those are all the body parts you want to draw. And when you're done downloading all of those, you want to go back to Melon Playground. And I'll just wait. Yep, MPG games. So I'm going to press editor in this thing. create new, then pick one of the livings. It doesn't matter if they're all the same. I'm just gonna pick melon. And here there'll be a lot of tools, like a lot. Like set file setting. Here you can change the name of your character. I'm gonna call him Huge. Yeah. And there'll be this thing that says MISC. Press that, then press living. And this is for advanced only, but there's a thing that says category living. If you press that and press custom, you can change the category. And to do this, just press the words user mods here. And when you're done that, you can change the icon if you want to. You don't have to. But here in select texture, you can change the textures. And pixels per unit, this means like how big it is, so you can adjust how big it is. Set colliders just means what material, and you can change the top. So right now I'm just gonna change it because set properties is just setting properties, like set glow, set can't burn, just means it can burn, can't flow, it means it can flow in water. Set human settings means, so if you don't want your character to blink, get away from check mark, but if you want your character to blink, there'll be like this little white pixel here, but that white pixel means the eyeball, so don't like draw all over the place unless it's an eyeball. And you can change the eyelid color. I'm just gonna do it because I want to. With the blood color. Set scripts. This is not really important if you're a beginner, but you can make it explosive, blades. This is really hard if you're new, so don't try it because. And when you're done your character, press this thing called save down here. Then back. Yes. Press that again. Play. Press your map. And you have your character. Exactly as I made him to be. They have yellow blood. See that? Because it changes blood color to yellow. So that's the tutorial. And if you appreciate this tutorial, press the like button, comment, share to your friends if they don't know about it, or your family members if they want to know about it. And also, you can press the subscribe button if you want to. You don't have to, it's your opinion. Bye.